Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Yomi Hustle mods. Modding Yomi Hustle allows you to introduce fresh content, like unique characters and dynamic abilities, significantly enhancing your gameplay experience. We will cover everything from setting up your development environment to testing and sharing your creations. This step-by-step guide will help you unlock your creativity and contribute to the vibrant Yomi Hustle community, making your mark with custom content. To begin your modding journey, you will need a few essential tools. First, download the official Yomi Hustle modding kit. It provides crucial templates and documentation. Next, install a robust code editor, like Visual Studio Code, which is perfect for writing and organizing your mod scripts. Finally, have your preferred image editing software ready to craft unique character sprites and visual effects. These tools form the foundation of your modding workspace. Now for the creative part, crafting your mod's assets and code. Use your image editor to design captivating character sprites and fluid animations, bringing your vision to life. Then, dive into the game's scripting language to define your character's unique abilities and intricate movesets. Remember to meticulously follow the modding kit specifications for file formats and code structure, ensuring seamless integration into the game. Precision is key here. After all your hard work, it is time to test and share your mod. Rigorously test your creation within the game to catch and fix any bugs or unexpected behaviors, ensuring a smooth experience. Once perfected, package your mod files neatly, making them simple for other players to install and enjoy. Finally, share your unique contribution on Yomi Hustle community platforms, inviting feedback and showcasing your incredible modding talent to a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.